Hi guys, we're gonna do a lesson on division with quotients of 20 or larger, right? This is the toughest division questions we do all year for grade 4. All right, so we'll start with our names. Oh, I forgot to put it on the thin tip. Name. The date is April 8th for me, and sign it with your best cursive writing. I think my cursive writing gets worse every time. All right, I'm gonna start with the example of 72 divided by 3. All right, so what we're looking at is what times 3 would get us to 72. Now, I know that it's gonna be a pretty big number because 10 times 3 is 30, so it's gotta be more than 10. And 20 times 3 is 60. Oh, so it's got to be more than 20. How about 30 times 3? 3 times 3 is 9, so 30 times 3 is 90. Oh, so I know it has to be, we're trying to get to 72, so I know it has to be smaller than 30. So my answer is going to be 20-something. All right, so that's going to be where we start with. Let's start with that 20 times 3, because that's what we know. It's going to be somewhere in the 20s. So I know that 20 times 3 is 60. So 20 times 3 is 60. Let's see how much further we're going to have to go to get to 72. So 72 minus 60 is 12. So that means that our question that we have now is 12 divided by 3. Well, that's a lot easier question than 72 divided by 3. We know it's going to be 20 something, whatever that something is that 12 divided by 3 makes. Scroll it down a little bit more. Now, I know that 4 times 3 is 12. So if 4 times 3 is 12, that means that my quotient is going to be 20 and 4, or 24. 24. All right? Let's just do one more together. So I have 84 divided by 4. That's what I'm going to go to. So if you go to the next page for number 1, let's do that one together, and then I'll give you guys time to do the rest of them on your own. So I've helped you out a little bit here. I've told you that 20 times 4 is 80. So we don't even have to do really the steps of figuring out, well, if 10 times 4 is 40, it's got to be more than 10. 20 times 4 is 80. 30 times 4, by the way, is 120. And so we're only trying to get to 84. So we know that's going to be too much. So our answer is going to be 20-something. So if 20 times 4 is 80, how much more do we have to go to get to 84? Well, I'm just going to put that little box over here, 84 divided by 4. And we've already found 80 of them, right? 20 times 4 is 80. So that's going to leave us with 84 minus 80, which is just 4. We're going to have 4 more left here. Now my question is 4 divided by 4. Well, that's not too bad. How many 4s does it take to get to 4? It only takes 1. So our answer, that's going to get us to 4. Nothing left over. Our answer is 20 and 1, which is 21. 21 times 4 is 84. 84 divided by 4 is 21. Okay? Our answers do get into the higher ones. So let's say take your steps and think, if it was 10 times, what would it be? If it was 20 times, what would it be? If it was 30 times, what would it be? Right? And work your way through. I give you gradually less help as the questions go on. All right, guys, we'll review later on. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.